Pag hindi ko nahulaan, I am willing to give 10,000 pesos. Ha? My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. Think of your word, Jan. Think of your word over and over again. Think of the first letter. Uy! Parang gusto mo sabihin letter E.
Tama. Galing. Tama.
Okay, isipin mo kung anong klaseng word siya. Isipin mo na nasa harapan mo siya. Parang bagay na nakikita. Yes? Tinitignan mo sila. Lahat sila meron nito.
Tama.
Lahat sila meron nito. Ikaw din meron.
Yes, harap.
Dalawa. Pag hindi ko nahulaan, I am willing to give 10,000 pesos. Ha? Courtesy of BK. Papakita ko muna sa inyo, pero don't read out loud para may suspense, okay? Feeling ko ito yung word niya. Nabasa niyo ba hanggang sa likod? Yeah? Okay. Jan, for the first time, loud and clear, what is your word?
Ice.
Thank you very much, Jan. You may keep this, Jan.